Welcome back to Lunch of the Market. We hope your trading day is going well. There's lots of green on the screen today. I know we're a broken record, but we'll say it again. Take this opportunity to buy puts on some of your more volatile names. When you get a down 200-day like we had right after the VIX slipped below 16, then you sell out of your puts when the VIX hits 19 or 20. Use the cash to add to names that you like down more than 5% on those horrific days. Buying the dips in this market continues to be the right strategy. We're going to keep following the trend until it changes. We are also selling calls to make premium on those wild swings. Tessera reported a terrific quarter yesterday, and the conference call was great. We sold the June 25s against the stock, and we'll see what happens in May. We'll end up keeping a lot of stock and collecting a lot of premium in May if investors sell for the summer. We're planning for it with our strategy. We don't own puts on our entire book, as that would be really costly. We picked the names that we think are the biggest candidates for wild swings and protected them, so we have options. So you have some options should we see selling in May and June. I guess that's why they call it options. Okay, so on our screen today are two things, energy and finance. Banco Santander, symbol STD, is trading right around $12, down from 17 and then down from 14. We think this hated Spanish bank with a monster 7.8% dividend is a great way to play the excitement in Europe. Spain or Italy are widely regarded as the next domino, but this Spanish bank is one on the prowl for an acquisition and recently spun off its Latin American division in an IPO last year. Continue to like the juicy dividend and the bank's strong global position in key markets. Next, energy. BP and Walter Energy, symbol WLT, are both down big today. BP's down because of the oil leak in the Gulf, and WLT came in with less than expected earnings. Walter Energies has been on a rip-roaring tear lately, and it's nice to see the stock take a breather. You can start to get long WLT, but be prepared for further weakness. You may want to think about buying a call a couple of months out at the 80 strike and then selling short the common stock against it. Then you can profit from the fall from the race, and you're protected as the stock turns around in the other way. Cover the short position down 5 or 6% when the option gets too close to expiration. Again, owning that call gives you a few options on how you want to play it. Your max loss in the trade is the amount you paid for the call a few months out, but it'll give you time to see the trade play out, especially if we're seeing selling in May. In BP, considering adding to your position or initiating here. The press is bad on the oil spill, but it's really a Transocean problem, as was the rig that had the issue. BP has one of the best, if not the best yield in the group that has been acquiring property. Take a look at BP today, down nearly 7% on this dip. The dividend is 6%, nearly enough to cover the loss all by itself. Thanks for tuning in again today. Our brand new series featuring James Altucher, Jared Levy, and Patty Edwards is on fire as traffic on the website has exploded since we launched this series on Monday. Patty Edwards is the first, with James Altucher close at her heels. We need you Jared Levy fans out there to get out there and show your support. Our producer said that the Jared Levy interview is some of the best stuff, so check it out on the website by visiting www.magnumopusfinancial.com/demystify or click on the link right on the front page in the green box. Jump there and listen right on the website, or you can jump on iTunes and search for Magnum Opus Financial and for our America's Favorite Traders series. Thanks again for joining us today, and we'll see you tomorrow.